If you want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, then keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so you guys did know that I did the Dollar Tree grocery haul. I'll link that above. And these were some of the stuff that I bought. So I'm going to use the 4 of these to make a recipe. So I have the veggie meatballs. I have the winter blend, which is the broccoli and cauliflower, and I also have the stir-fried peppers. Okay, so this is my base, and it's $4. So let's hope that this turns out and tastes delicious. All right, so let's go over to the stovetop. Hey, but before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. You're gonna love the recipes and the wonderful tips. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and make this delicious meal. All right, my healthy people, so I am going to add some oil to my pot. Okay, not much, just a little bit. And this recipe is so simple and easy, guys. I'm going to add my stir fry. I'm adding everything. Dollar Tree, easy, weeknight dinner idea, $4, feed the entire family. Have that in there like that. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, and I'm adding my meatballs. 1 pot, 1 deliciousness. We're busy, we have kids and a family. Add everything in here. And I'm going to cover it up, low heat, for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take a look at this. Very good. So what I'm going to do right now is just throw out a little bit of this water, this liquid. And actually, probably not. Oh, look, these meatballs are breaking up. So let me not do anything else. I just want to give it a taste. Let me give it a taste. Okay, the funny thing is, I have to say, so this is the issue. The meatballs are breaking up, right? But they haven't thawed all the way out. So what can we do? I'm gonna just let it be, add my spices, and then this would just be what it is. So now I'm just gonna add my spices, and I'm adding the spices that I had in my spice cabinet. So it's just some adobo, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some turmeric, and some vegetable spices. Okay, you add whatever you want. Just keep in mind that what's gonna happen is this is probably gonna end up looking like a stew because these meatballs do not hold up. They break apart and they are not fully thawed out. Okay, so I would say thaw the meatballs out first and then maybe throw them in after the fact. Okay, but what can we do? This is the Dollar Tree. I'm sure it will be delicious at the end. All right, so I didn't thaw my stuff out, so you can go ahead and do that. And it just kind of looked like a stew. If you had some rice, this would go perfectly fine with that. I would actually just serve this over rice right now, and then that is pretty much it. Okay, and once again, the broccoli are still crunchy for those of you who are wondering, because I didn't thaw it out completely, so the broccoli stays a little crunchy. Let me give that a taste. Okay, you know what, everything is all good. It end up coming out looking like a stew, and it tastes really good because of all the spices in the meatballs. So guys, I would definitely recommend this. You should make it, and as a matter of fact, make it just like this. have it over some rice, or you can have it just like this. But you know what? I would have this over some rice. Absolutely delicious. And do it the same exact way I did, because it's going to taste so good. Because the meatballs, they had so much spices in them that it gave this a nice flavor. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but it tastes really good right now. So I'm going to have this with some rice, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So it's a $4 meal. Add some rice to it, it'll be $5. And I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this deliciousness. So let me show you how I'm going to eat it. I'm going to add some rice. And now let's add our stew. Just like that. So delicious. This is it. The perfect weeknight meal. Only $5. Absolutely delicious. Your family will love it. The kids are gonna love it. And you didn't have to do much, and you finished cooking. Simple, easy, delicious, worry-free. You're still vegan, and it's only $5. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Say it with me. Stay healthy.